Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
And this is my kitchen, and behind the camera is Michael. Michael, why you like to play so much like that?
I don't know. Hey, how's everyone today?
Today we are gonna make chocolate frosted yellow cupcakes.
Yellow cake cupcake.
Yellow cake cupcakes. Well, yellow cupcakes is from a yellow cake box, but instead of making a cake, we want to make it in my cupcake. It's not dirty, guys. I know it's from being old and all that, but that's not dirt, trust me.
Yeah, that's wear and tear.
It's wear and tear from
That's
being
all right.
old. You know, I'm a very clean person.
That's right.
So anyways, the first thing that I did was take some of my butter.
Ooh.
And wrap it, go in like this, and
Butter,
put a little bit
butter,
in each little cupcake, little hole.
That's right.
So it doesn't stick.
The cupcake holes.
And now I'm gonna put 3 eggs.
All right.
That's egg number 1.
Uno.
1, 2,
Dos. And tres. For our Spanish speakers out there.
Yep. And then I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
That's right.
And 1 cup of water. Now you can switch the water for milk if you want, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do it exactly how it says in the box.
That's
Mike?
right.
And then we're gonna stir this.
Stir it up.
See how easy? Already look what it looks like.
Yellow cake. Uncooked.
Batter uncooked, right?
That's right.
And then I'm gonna come here real hard like this and do this.
That's right. Hand beat it.
Mm-hmm.
We don't need no
Hand beat
machine.
it.
When it comes to box
No.
stuff, guys, you don't want to use an electric beater, right, Mom?
Yep.
You want to do it with your hands.
Yeah, you want to do it with your hands.
Mix
you
it
can
up,
use
mix it up.
with an electric beater, you know.
Yeah, but for some reason you just put
I
more
haven't
love into
recorded in
it.
a couple of days because I've been with my anxiety like very high. I've been, can't breathe and get really anxious and nervous.
That's right.
Sometimes I can't even get out of bed. Like my son Michael had to make me today, Mom, come on. And I'm like, okay, I had to go to the supermarket like for a couple of days now. And today I got up and I said, you know what, I have to go because if I don't, then I'm going to feel worse.
She is back,
And I'm very still, I'm not back. I'm still antsy, but I feel much better.
Yeah.
And just to let all you guys know out there, like, if any one of you guys suffers from anxiety, it will be nice if you guys can let me know what do you guys do about it.
Comment down below and tell us if you
because
have
it's a very
anxiety.
kind of like scary situation. You know, my heart races real fast.
It is.
And I get scared, feel like my heart is in my throat.
Yes.
I can't talk because
Yes.
my voice comes out real nervous.
Yes.
I mean, it's crazy. I never
is.
had this before, but I've been suffering for this now for like 2-3 years. And it haven't really attacked me. It just started came back last month, right, Mike?
Yeah.
Just came back very aggressive. And one day I had like 5 panic attacks.
It came back. It came back.
And that's too much.
That's right.
And we're trying to monetize, doing everything natural.
That's
no
right.
meds, nothing like that.
That's
'cause
right.
That's not good for you. But anyway, here we go, guys. So this batter,
This cake will
it
make
looks
you
ready
happy.
to me, right? Do you
Oh,
see
yeah.
any bolitas in
Nice
there?
and smooth. No bolitas.
No bolitas?
And what is a bolita?
Like little bumpies.
Little
like
chunkies.
Like little bolitas.
Little chunk.
From the same cake, from the same batter.
All right.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is...
Nice and firm.
Yeah, I wish I had like a jar that I can...
Oh, with a
pour
little thing that you can pour?
Yeah, like, hold on a second. I think I have one of those. This one.
Little thing.
Because it has, you see?
Oh. She's about to do some MacGyver stuff, guys. Look at that.
Yeah.
MacGyver.
Some more Michael, some
MacGyver.
MacGyver stuff. Give me that thing, that spatula. Give me that again. So I can finish.
Oh, sorry.
But don't do that because then we're gonna have to clean all that if you
Clean
put
it
stuff
up,
around.
clean it up.
Wow, look at the mix. Got that batter all nice and yellow.
That's right.
So I guess that's what makes the cake yellow. It is yellow, but the eggs, I think they do.
I think it makes it yellow.
No, more yellow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now with this
All right.
is my iced tea. Move, Michael. Can you get back, please?
Back it up.
Thank
back
you.
It up. I'll zoom in. So everybody can see. Look at that, everybody. Perfect pour every time. Perfect pour every time.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna make like 12 of them, but
Well, hey,
let's
if we
see.
get 6, that's good. Let's see. Pour it up,
I said we're gonna make like,
up.
oh, that one okay, went too high. I think we're gonna make like
8?
8 of them, yeah.
I don't know. Looks like you might actually fill them all. so?
Think?
Yes.
Doesn't look like that, Michael.
I think so.
Think?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at that.
12
Uh-oh.
cupcakes, 12 cupcakes, 12 cupcakes. Wow.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's gonna be 12.
All right.
And I'll clean like wherever, you know what I'm saying? We have a little
Scoop
bit
it
less.
out, scoop it
Let's put a
out.
little bit more on this
And
one.
everybody, just so you know,
Okay, just gonna put this here.
yes, her hands are clean.
Okay, my hands are
The
clean.
cleanest person I know for
My
26
stuff
years.
is always clean, very clean all the time.
That's right.
So now what I'm gonna do, Mike, is we're gonna wipe that off, okay? But I'm gonna go like this first.
All right.
What are you doing? Okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah, no, just to take this off.
I know. I'm just
No.
recording.
Just trying to clean it.
Record time, record time.
Okay, hold on.
All right.
I think with a rag is better. Clean it
Yeah.
all around. So let me put this here.
Clean around, clean around. Oh, that already looks good. Look at that, everybody. Gonna put that on Instagram. Take a little photo. You see a little photo
Yeah.
real quick? Wait. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven at 350.
That's right.
For how long? For half hour, Mike?
Half hour at least. That's what the box
That's
says.
what it says?
Yes, but
What do you mean
depending.
half hour at least?
Well, depending on
It
the
says
kind.
for 30 to how many minutes?
For 30, but depending on the kind of oven you have, it might
Okay.
take longer, a little bit
Well, we
longer.
have a conventional
It might
oven.
take a little less.
So these are gonna be, and then this is our chocolate frosting.
All right.
And you can see
For
it's,
$1, guys.
This is for
$1.
$1 and $1, $2.
So $2
for 12 cupcakes.
and you can feed your whole
So
family
I'm gonna put it in the oven
dessert for a week.
on 350.
That's
right
right.
there.
That's
For
right.
how long you said, Michael?
30 minutes. 30
30
minutes.
minutes. Let's put the cook time. 7, 8, 9, 10.
You know you can hold it, right?
I know.
Yeah, look at that. Woo woo woo.
Okay, so there you go, 30 minutes. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and you know what you guys have to do when you guys come back. We're gonna take this frosting.
That's
We'll
right.
Take the cupcakes. When the cupcakes are done, I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna cool them off. Then we're gonna put this frosting on top of the cupcake. We're gonna have chocolate frosted yellow cupcakes, right?
That's right.
Yellow cupcakes cake, like Michael said. Michael was doing
Chocolate
cupcakes and all
frosted
that.
yellow cake cupcakes.
Yep, and you guys know what to do. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Twitter.
Follow
like
us on Facebook.
And on Pinterest. Like us on Pinterest. Look for us on Pinterest, on Google Plus,
On Tumblr.
on Tumblr. Like
We're everywhere.
Exactly. Look,
Ooh,
Michael, we
said
keep
that
on
at the
saying
same
that.
time.
Yeah.
All right.
I like that. And if you want to like donate $1 to us, to our Patreon account, you scroll down to the link below, and you can click there. And it will take you directly to our account, and you can donate $1 from $1 up, whatever you guys want to donate, or don't. We're still gonna love you. We're still gonna be making these videos for you.
That's right.
And also we have the best dog food that for your babies, for your animals, and for your little puffy little friends. Ginger, come.
That's right.
Hey,
Link
come.
down below.
And I just link the link down below. You can go to Life's Abundance. Come here, Ginger. Lifesabundance.com /for all. That's my link for my dog food, and it will take you directly to the link to the website, and you can decide what you want. If you want dog food for the little guys, the medium-sized guy, the old dogs,
Even supplements for us.
we have supplements for humans and for your puppies, vitamins, chewy ears, I mean, all that good stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so we can notify you every time we make one of these videos.
That's right.
And I'll see you guys in 28 minutes and 10 seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you right back. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beep, 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 beep.
Wow, look at that bad boy. What do you think? What? Now they're gonna cool off, guys.
Before we ice them.
And I'll see you guys in another 10 minutes from now. This is what the yellow cupcakes look like. They're
Wow.
not frosted. Chocolate frosted yellow cupcakes yet because we haven't put the frosting.
Chocolate
So these
frosted yellow cake cupcake.
are Yellow cake cupcakes, alright guys?
That's right.
So we're gonna frost one of them.
Frosted up,
Okay?
frosted
Oh,
up.
and it's gonna be for my husband, so I'm gonna make it very pretty. So let's put it in here, right, Mike?
Wow.
Which one you want to do? The biggest one? Or which one is the biggest one?
Well,
I think that one.
I think Dad should get the biggest one.
Which one is the biggest one?
This
This
wait,
one?
Wait. Let me see. That one right there.
This one?
Yep.
This one is very pretty.
Wow.
Okay, so we're just gonna put chocolate frosting on the top.
That's right.
So we're just gonna do it on one, so I'll let you guys know what they're gonna look like, okay?
All of them will look like eventually.
Yeah. All of them are actually gonna look like, yeah, like what Michael said.
Ooh.
And this is what it's gonna look like, and they're very easy to
So
make. And like I
pretty.
said before, guys, $2. Who gets a deal like that?
Nobody.
$2. $1 for the frosting and $1 for the cake, for the box of cake.
There's no deal like that
And
anywhere.
put it in the oven, 350 for half hour, and there you got a beautiful chocolate frosted yellow cupcake. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. Try to make the same thing that I made, you know, and to see if you like it. Michael, you want me to cut one in half to show people what they look like?
Sure.
We'll cut a little one.
All
Let's
right.
Cut a little one. I'm not gonna frost it.
Cut it
but I
up,
just
cut
wanna cut so you guys see
it
that it came out.
up.
You know, looking really nice and everything. I can't eat cake, so that's not gonna happen with me. So here we go. As I open it, look how beautiful
Wow,
it
can I
is.
take a picture?
Look nice, right?
It almost looks
And
like
yellow.
pound cake.
Yeah, it looks
Right?
because it's, yeah, because it's really nice and soft. Look at that.
Wow.
And I mean, you know, I just cut it like this in 4 pieces like that, so you guys can see what it looks like. Huh? And what
Oh,
do
yeah.
you guys think? You want a little piece, Michael?
Oh yeah, let me get that
So
one.
with that, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus.
Oh, that's so good.
Twitter. Let me
Tumblr.
see. Pinterest, Tumblr. Everywhere. We're everywhere. Just look.
This
around,
tastes
you
like
can
pound
see
cake.
these
Wow.
kitchen. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Today is Friday. You know what to do. Don't drink and drive. I love you all. Take care. Good night.